If you want to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your TikTok account, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it directly from the TikTok app. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and open Settings and Privacy. Here, select Account and then tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. TikTok will now give you two options. The first option is Deactivate Account, which temporarily disables your TikTok profile. You can reactivate it anytime just by logging back in. The second option is Delete Account, which permanently removes your TikTok account after 30 days if you don't log back in during that period. Choose the option you want. Then TikTok may ask you to verify your identity using your password, email, or phone number verification code. After completing the verification, simply tap on Deactivate Account or Delete Account to confirm. And that's it. Your TikTok account will now be successfully deactivated or scheduled for permanent deletion. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and step-by-step tutorials.